Today I'm going to add a recipe to my pasta series. You can use this recipe for any pasta you like. Today I've picked a fresh pack of Girosoli. To start with, I'm going to melt some butter in a pan. Once melted, I'm going to add some crushed garlic and some chopped onions to that. I'm going to saute them for a few minutes on medium heat. So after a few minutes I have added some cherry tomatoes and some tomato puree. I gave that a really good mix and added an oxo cube mixed with some hot water. I'm now going to add all of the spices, so I added half a teaspoon each of red chilli powder, paprika, some pepper, oregano and a little bit of salt. I gave that a good mix and let it simmer for 15 minutes on a low heat. I then went ahead and added a tub of Philadelphia Light. I let that cook for a few minutes before removing it from the heat. I used fresh pasta, so this was cooked under 5 minutes. Once that pasta was cooked, I put it into the pasta sauce and I served it hot. And that's how I make the most quickest, delicious creamy pasta.